What's up, everybody? It's Hey John. I jab opportunities nonstop, and today I will be talking about cryptocurrency, Dogecoin specifically, and I'll be covering the charts. I've been using BlockFi for about 3 months now, and you get 3.5% interest on every single transaction. I like it a lot because you get Bitcoins instead of US dollars, and my Bit are now generating interest for me. I use my BlockFi card just like any other credit card there is. It's a Visa signature card. You can buy gas, groceries, and earn Bitcoin. That's what I've been doing, and I think it's a great thing. So let's get to Dogecoin now. Dogecoin is seeing, I would say, some headwinds. And the reason for it is because we're seeing many, I mean literally many meme coins coming out. Shiba Inu has been one of the more recent ones, but it's been around for a long time now. Now you're seeing Fluky, you're seeing Baby Doge, you're seeing all kinds of names. Anything with the word Doge in it is now a meme coin alternative to Dogecoin. You're seeing on Twitter feeds, you're seeing on the Google Trends, you're seeing Dogecoin have less interest. And when that happens, guess what? People are investing in alternative coins. Even though Dogecoin is an alternative coin, people are chasing yields. Currently, Fluky is making a lot of moolahs. It's increased by I don't know how many 100% already, but I stopped looking at it because, well, I'm not investing in it, and I don't encourage you guys to, but if you want to, hey, by all means here, right? As you know, it's already peaked and went up quite a bit here. So with that being said, do you feel comfortable buying at the top? Hey, if you do, go for it, right? But what I say to you guys is, actually, Dogecoin is a huge opportunity right now because we all know Dogecoin is the first and my first love for cryptocurrency. With that being said, when you see the interest going to different coins in the interim time, Dogecoin goes down and consolidates at a cheaper price. And when that happens, guess what? You have opportunities to buy at a discount. But of course, that's only for a long-term investment. If you want to chase short-term yields, I mean by like short-term, I mean days and weeks, these other meme coins are great alternatives. And people have been investing in those, selling out, and coming back to Dogecoin. But remember, there are huge gains to be paid in terms of taxes. That's kind of why I don't day trade too much, because it's too much convolutedness that I don't need. And I'm okay with my gains, to be honest. And I don't want to chase little small gains here because the reason why is I just don't have time for it. For me, personally speaking, having a full-time job and investing is much more up my alley. Day trading in my younger days, now, no time for it. So if you have time for it and you're young, more power to you. Try out some options as well. You have the time for it. They can make you tons of money as well if you're in the day trading realm. With that being said, there is great news for Dogecoin, and it's not directly towards Dogecoin, but Fidelity investment director says that Bitcoin can reach 100K by 2023. And that is significant because now you're seeing the mainstream companies, Fidelity, right, coming out. Soon it'll be Vanguard, soon it'll be TD Ameritrade, IB Brokers. It'll be all the large companies coming out soon that will start accepting and trading Bitcoins. And of course, as you know, Dogecoin follows Bitcoin. That's kind of why I say what's good for Bitcoin is great for Dogecoin. Of course, Dogecoin is acting as a lagging indicator. So don't expect that because Bitcoin goes up today, you're going to see Dogecoin follow immediately. Usually Dogecoin gets lost, spins in a circle, sits down, rolls around, and then gets up and then runs all of a sudden when you least expect it. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is already to the moon already. So that's kind of what Dogecoin does. So don't expect it to follow one for one, okay, folks? I'm just being transparent about that. There's always a lagging factor, and I've been saying for a long time here, Dogecoin is a lagging indicator to Bitcoin. But just know it's coming, and don't be too concerned. If you're a day trader, then I guess Dogecoin isn't for you anyways, because reason for it is because Dogecoin, well, there's less interest, less day traders, less volatility. So you're going to have a very hard time making day trades here and make any kind of profits that are meaningful to you. With that being said, let's go ahead and tap those Dogecoin charts to see what's going on. Let's go ahead and check out those Dogecoin charts now, okay? So this is the daily perspective of Dogecoin, all right? We're seeing the current price is $22.60 as of this recording here. And we're seeing the VITAL ALGO reactionary ribbon acting as a resistance. And what is VITAL ALGO reactionary ribbon? It is this green and red curve, and it's a combination of moving averages. And if you're serious about trading, I will give them a look. Link down below in my description. There's a 25% off coupon code, Hey John, and I've been using them for a long time, and they are a great technical analysis tool, but keyword being tool, okay? And of course, there's a free trial, so go ahead and give them a checkout as well. So folks, check this out here. So currently we're seeing Dogecoin trade down right here, right? Dogecoin went the VITAL ALGO reactionary ribbon here. You can see on October 5th and October 6th, but we saw two strong wicks and it acted as a resistance. And I've been saying 2908 has been a long-term resistance. It tapped it, and I rejected off of a very strong wick. So this tells me many folks that got in at or around there, when they saw the price, they started selling off immediately because they knew and they believed that Dogecoin isn't going anywhere. And they're all hoping for a new dip to buy in for cheaper, which is fine. That's what people do. And I always tell folks there's no shame in taking profits here. And currently, we're seeing the resistance being around 2508 to about 2752. Those will be the 2 points you want to watch out for. In terms of a resistance, it's again based on the VITAL ALGO reactionary ribbon, which is a combination of moving averages. One of the longer term supports that I've been calling out for a long time now is 2215. We are tapping again. We broke down before on September 27th for a few days here, and we came back up and broke back up though, right? But now we're coming back down though. But the interesting thing to note here is that you can see on September 7th and 6th here, we hit a peak here, right? And then August 15 and August 16, another peak here. So now we're seeing literally lower highs every single time, right? And now it's no different. Our next lower high is now 2917. So this is putting price pressure to the downside. And if you look closely, it's actually showing a downward channel. So let me go ahead and draw for you guys this downward channel for you guys. We're trading in a downward channel with a minor downslope. So this tells me that if we follow this downward channel here, our next bottom can be around 1534. It could be a very possibility that we tap 1534 and we bounce off vehemently. And 1534 is going to be a very strong support. The reason for that is because the last time we were around there, we bounced off almost immediately and we saw a nice uptrend. But from 1534, we went back up to about 34 cents and we got rejected and came back down. And now we're trading in another downward channel here. And these channels last for days and months and weeks, folks. So don't expect it to be tomorrow. It's going to be a done deal here. We're going to see some sideways action. And the reason for that, again, I want to emphasize is because we're seeing the attention moved on to Fluky, Shiba Inu, and Baby Doge, and any other meme coin you can think of that is currently popular. And I say that's okay, folks. The reason why it's okay is because there's different investments and people are different here, right? Some are investors, some are day traders, some are short-term, some are long-term. It depends on where you're from and what you're trying to achieve here. So all of those investments are very good for the right person and the right situation here. But again, I encourage folks to come in Dogecoin, okay? Watch out for the dips, folks. They're coming. And the good thing to note here is that we're seeing October 12th and October 13th here, right? We've been trading sideways and downwards here, but yet we're seeing a nice little bump here, right? Today's October 13th. As of this recording here, the next low is actually higher than the previous day. And the next resistance is the same thing as the previous day. So this means folks are starting to buy a dip here because they believe anywhere from around 1912 to about 2261 is a very good dip buying zone. And we're seeing it in the buys right now. But of course, we are still trading down. And there's good reason for that though, because meme coins, we're seeing Bitcoin having some issues right now because they're still waiting to see if next week we will see ETFs. And most importantly, folks, when you invest, make sure you only put your fund money, okay? Don't be putting your lunch money. Don't be putting your rent money, your utility money, your car money, only your fund money, because these are long-term investments, folks. Unless you're day trading, that's different, but if you're investing like me, make sure you insulate yourself and you never, ever go all in. Even I haven't went all in on Dogecoin or any other coin, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. I never go all in on anything because I always like to keep dry powder, because you never know when there will be amazing dip buying opportunities. They come when you least expect it, and they go when you least expect it as well, folks. So be aware of that. It's your boy, Hey John. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell and like, because YouTube will share this video with more folks. And most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.